Hey everybody, it's Zoe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone has had a great week so far and a great end to the month of January. January is almost over and February is just around the corner, which I'm kind of excited about, not gonna lie, I'm kind of done with all the snow. So for today's video, I'll be doing something kind of different and I'll be actually doing a makeup challenge. So as requested, I will be doing the No Mirror Makeup Challenge. Now, this video was already planned for this week and a lot of people requested, so I'm just like, why not? So for today's challenge, I've gotten rid of my mirror. It is absolutely gone. And I'm going to try to do my makeup without a mirror. So as you already know, I can't see to begin with, so this is going to be quite interesting considering my magnifying mirror is now gone and I have no sense of sight left. I have all my products already laid out and selected, so I don't have to go finding anything, which will be nice and easy, but this is going to be really hard and I am really excited but also nervous to see how this is going to turn out, so let's get started. So I just went ahead and put a headband on, and I took off all the makeup that I currently had on, which wasn't really much. So I'm just gonna start off by priming my face. Now this will be pretty easy considering it's just cream. So this is the Maybelline primer. Comes in this little blue tube. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. This should be pretty simple as I don't really have to be very precise with this. I kind of have to make sure I have most of my face covered. Alright. Now that's it, and now I'm going to go in with foundation. So for my foundation today, I will be using the Sephora Collection 10 Hour Wear Foundation. I believe I am shade 22, which is light. I'm just going to go ahead and grab my damp beauty blender. Oops. And I'm just going to take a few squirts of this. See, I can't see, everything's falling already. I'm just going to dab this over my face, and I'll need a little bit more. Put on my forehead. Just going to blend this all around. Now, another challenge with this will be is I won't know if everything is blended, so this may look super splotchy. I have no clue how this is going to turn out. So this is going to be kind of fun. Hopefully my concealer will kind of blend in a bit, and maybe the setting powder will take some of it away. Okay, I think this feels blended. Hopefully it is. You guys know I don't. Hopefully this is okay. I'm gonna move on to concealer now. So for concealer today, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade light. I'm just gonna plop this under my eyes, just on the top of my nose, up here. This one's almost empty. And then I do have a pimple on my chin, I know, and I think it's somewhere here. So I'm just gonna kind of put it on my whole chin because I really have no clue where it is. All right, now I'm just gonna blend all this out. Hopefully I put it in kind of the right spot. I didn't really do a lot of concealer for my contour today because my contour is already gonna look bad. So if the contrast is bad as well, it'll just look like a total mess. So I'm trying to make this look the least worse as possible. All right, now that that is all in place, it's time to set our face. So to set my face today, I'll be using the Mud, aka Makeup Designery, loose powder in shade 0. This is just a white translucent powder, and I like it a lot. It makes everything look nice and matte as well and not as shiny. So I'm just gonna put some of this under my eyes. Put some on my forehead up here. I'm gonna put some on my chin. Now warning with this one, it is very powdery, so it does fall out quite quick. Okay, hopefully that's good. I'm just gonna leave this on for a few minutes and then I will be back after it's all wiped off. All right, so now that I'm pretty sure all the bake is off, it's time to contour. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe contour brush here with this Palladio contour shade. It's actually, there's no name for it. They only have one, which is it here. So I'm just gonna take some of this, but not too much. I'm gonna try to contour my face. Hopefully this isn't too harsh because I have no clue how much I just put on. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, now I'm gonna do the other side. There we go. And I know I'm under my cheekbone, I can kind of feel it. Alright, now I'm just gonna kind of blend this out a bit because I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be way too harsh, but that's okay, you know, this is a challenge, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of the forehead. This might be a little too low. Yeah, pull this back a bit. Do the forehead here. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna look horrible, especially because I know this one's really pigmented and I think I put way too much on the brush. So blend this up here, under my jaw. I'm just gonna kind of blend this out even more. I feel like this is way too pigmented, but we'll find out at the end. You guys know, I don't. So, alright, now that I think and hope my contour is done and looks somewhat okay, I'm gonna move on to blush. So for blush today, I'll be using one of the blushes from the Sephora collection. This one's called Hysterical, I think, number 11. So I'm just gonna take some of this. I'm just gonna plop this on my cheekbones. Hopefully this isn't too pigmented as well. I really don't know how much I tapped off. Alright, let's do the other side. I'm really just looking into the camera lens right now. So this is going to be interesting. I'm trying to turn for you guys so you can kind of see, but I have no clue how this really looks. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to go back into the contour and try to chisel out my nose a little bit. I can't see a single thing, so hopefully I even get it relatively even near my nose. So I'm just going to be using this brush today. It's a double-sided brush. I know this one's good for under eyebrows and like bringing down the concealer after you cut them out. So I'm just going to be using this side today. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this same stuff I used for my cheek contour. I'm just going to try to chisel out my nose. I can't even see. I think I'm hitting my nose. I don't know. Then I'm just gonna bring it up into here. Hopefully this looks okay. I really don't know. Do a little bit on the bottom. Make our nose look snatch, hopefully. Alright. I think that's it for this part. I'm gonna go in now and do my eyebrows. Something I just realized right now is I won't really be able to tell which colors are which in a palette. So I have the Morphe 35O palette here with me right now with an eyebrow brush, and there actually is, that's the wrong side, see, can't see. There's actually a color in this palette that is a perfect match for my eyebrows, and I use it a lot. Okay, I think it's this, I hope. I'm not gonna do that heavy of a brow look today because can't really see, so I'm kind of just, I didn't even brush my eyebrows out because I don't really know where my eyebrow is right now. I'm kind of just going with it. I'm gonna do the other side. I know my eyebrow on this side is missing some hair at the bottom, so I normally do fill that part in, but now I'm just totally lost and kind of feeling, okay, I think there's hair there. So let's just hope. You guys know how this looks. I really don't, so that's fun. I'm not gonna do that much more for my eyebrows because I really don't know how they look, and I'm just gonna hope that that's okay. Now I'm gonna go and just prime my eyelids off camera. That part's kind of boring because I just have to put it on my eyelid. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back and do an eyeshadow look. Hopefully it'll be okay. Now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I didn't use concealer to define my eyebrows because it's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna use the same palette, the 35O. And I also didn't pick out my brushes in advance, so I'm just gonna hope that I pick the right brush. This is what the palette looks like. It's a gorgeous palette. I love it. I'm gonna do just something kind of basic with browns, not that intense. So I'm just gonna take this, I think it's a fluffy brush, I hope, and I'm gonna, okay, I can kind of tell shades. So I'm gonna think this is a kind of a beigey-ish, this one right here, I hope. We're about to find out. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this at the top of my lid here. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I think I grabbed the same color. I really don't know. I'm kind of winging it at this point. I'm not gonna do eyeliner today because it's not gonna happen. But don't know how that looks. Now I'm gonna go in with another color. I'm just gonna use this brush. I think this one's a flat. Nope, that's angled. Flat brush. I'm kind of just feeling around makeup brushes here. This kind of feels flat-ish, hopefully. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker tone, just in my crease area. I'm not gonna cut my crease because can't really see. What color did I just use? Oh, this is a mess. This is gonna look horrible. I can already imagine it in my head. Okay. Now, just on my lid, I'm gonna take this brush here. I'm just gonna pack on a brown shade. This one's nice. This is kind of like a rusty brick color, I think. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Oh, I hope this looks okay. Okay. Don't know how that looked. I'm just gonna quickly blend this out. Just drop that on the floor. That's great. Can't really see. Alright, now that my eye looks done, I'm gonna move on to mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna curl my lashes now. I will have hopefully grabbed them. Okay. Sorry, I'm being like really negative in this video. I need to be more positive. I think this look will be okay, I hope. Alright, now that that's done, I'm gonna use the Mud volumizing mascara, I think it is. It comes in a tube. I really like it because when you're running out, you can just kind of squeeze it a bit. I'm just gonna put a light coat of this on. I don't even know if I'm hitting my eyelashes. I think I am. Alright, that's all the mascara I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna move on to highlight. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the Profusion Sparkle Palette. I'm just gonna dip into the last two shades here, the brown and the pink. I'm just gonna highlight my face. Go down my nose, just here, a little bit underneath here. And then I'm gonna do a little bit on the brows, a little bit in the middle. Alright, now that that's done, it's time to move on to the lips. Alright, so for lips today, I'll be using the MAC lipstick in the shade Spirit. I know this is kind of more of a neutral color, and I'm pretty sure I picked brown, so hopefully I didn't accidentally pick a red, otherwise this lipstick will not match, but let's just go for it. Okay. This is not going to be perfect because I have no clue where my lips are. Okay. Alright. I hopefully covered most of my lips. Maybe I went a little off my lips a bit. Maybe there's a few streaks in different places. I don't know. But okay, I think I'm done and it's time to put my glasses back on and grab the mirror and see how this looks. Okay, so I'm looking at the mirror here and it's better than I thought, but it's definitely horrible. My contour, first of all, you can see that it kind of didn't go all the way up to my hairline up here. So that's always nice, and it's way too harsh. Yeah, it looks like I have dirt all over my face. The lip color definitely does not match the eye look that well, but it's okay. I'm actually pretty impressed with how the brows turned out. I mean, they're not perfect, but considering I couldn't see, I definitely filled them in okay. I got the blush in the right spot, which is pretty good, and the mascara is not too bad. Yeah, I'm actually kind of impressed with how this turned out. Besides mainly my face, the eyes are okay. Yeah, it's just mainly the face that's bad. So overall, I think I did a pretty good job. Thank you so much for watching today's challenge video. It was super fun to film. If you're not already following me on Instagram, please follow my Instagram at Beauty Through the Eyes of Zoe for all updates about the channel. Also, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Also, if you want to have any video ideas for me, you know, maybe want to comment something down below and let me know if there's anything else you want me to do. Yeah, please subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week on Beauty Through the Eyes of Zoe. Bye!